Good morning to all my dear students. I hope that you all are fine. Today we'll do tenses. Students, tenses are very important part of grammar and they are very important in learning a language. Whether we want to learn any language, second language, we need to learn the rules of grammar. Second language means the language we learn because we are not the native speaker of that language. Like Hindi is our mother tongue, our national language, and we use it regularly at home. So orally we know about it very well. But English is a second language and we have to learn it through the rules. So tenses, first of all, what are tenses? Tenses are the rules to understand how to write the sentences differently in different ways. And what does tenses tells us? Tenses tell us two things. Number one, time, and number two is work. Means tenses tells us the time of work, the time of an action. And one more thing they tell us, that is work, how much work is done. So tenses हमें ये बताते हैं कि कौन से टाइम में जो काम हुआ है और वो काम कितना हुआ है. So two things we have to keep our mind when we want to learn the tenses. On the basis of time, we can categorize tenses into three, because time can be present, past or future. Present means what is going on, what is in front of us, that is our present time. And past means what has been gone, जो जा चुका है, जो हो चुका है, that is our past. And future means unknown time or upcoming time. Whenever we do a planning, we always do it for our future. So on the basis of time, you understood now that there are three tenses: present, past and future. They tell the time of an action, whether the action is done in present, past or future. Now work. They also tell us that how much work is done. Let's see one example here. I am cleaning my room. So in this sentence, we can see the work is cleaning. We are doing the work of cleaning. So cleaning is the verb here, main verb here. And am is a helping verb. And am means मैं कोई काम कर रहा हूँ. It means it is telling the present time. And how much work we have done? Can we know this with the help of this sentence? Yes, we can know that I am cleaning my room. It means मैं अपना कमरा साफ कर रहा हूँ. It means the work is continuing. The work is going on. So we can know the time of the action and how much work is done by seeing the verb and by seeing the helping verb. So now let's see that on the basis of work, how can we categorize the tenses? On the basis of time, we have already distributed present, past or future. Now on the basis of work, in this sentence, I am cleaning my room, we know very well the work is going on, means the work is in continuity. So this is continuous tense. Now the second sentence, I have cleaned my room. So in this sentence we can know that the work has been completed. I have, मैं अपना रूम साफ कर चुका हूँ. It means the work has been completed here. So it shows the perfection of the work. So we can write perfect. Perfect tense means which shows the completion of the work. Now I clean my room. I clean my room. This shows that we are not confirmed whether the work is in continuity or whether the work has been completed. So we are not definite about how much work is done. So this sentence comes in indefinite. Indefinite means which is not fixed, which is not definite. So it comes in definite. So on the basis of work, that how much work is done, we can categorize the verb tenses indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Indefinite means the work, we don't know whether the work is in continuity or whether the work has been completed. Continuous means when the work is going on, it comes in continuous. And perfect means where the work has been completed. And perfect continuous. Perfect continuous shows the continuity of the work which has been completed, and it shows the time of the action. A particular time is given in perfect continuous. Let's see. I have been cleaning my room since morning. So here since morning, सुबह से मैं अपना रूम साफ कर रहा था. It means the time is given, the time of action is given here, that since morning, कि सुबह से मैं अपना रूम जो है वो continuously clean कर रहा था. So now you understood how can we categorize the tense on the basis of time and work. On the basis of time, we can categorize them in present, past and future. And on the basis of how much work is done, we can categorize indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Now we'll summarize it once again. Tenses tell the time of an action and how much work is done. And we can categorize tenses on the basis of time into three types: present tense, past tense and future tense. And on the basis of work, we can categorize present into indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. In the same way we have categorized them in present, we will categorize them in past also. Past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous, and in the same way in future tense. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So students, I hope that you understood how can we categorize the tenses on the basis of time and work. That's all. In the next video, we'll understand the helping verb.